Assalamu alaikum. You guys see today I am Azim Abrar in front of you, and you guys see this is a paddy field. You know, this is our main crops because Bangladesh is an agricultural country, and that's why most of the people are farmers in our country. That's why they grow crops like jute, paddy, and etc. So we should respect our farmers and value them. Otherwise, without their contribution, we can't live a single moment in this world. So my father is a farmer. If you don't follow these rules, you hate your father because your father is farmer. You still are not a human because you don't obey this. You don't acknowledge your father. It's a great problem. If your father is farmer, it's no problem. It's the biggest respect to your fathers because my father is the golden person of Bangladesh. Thank you so much for watching the video.